Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, this is Ratna Hidayati and you are watching Matsasurba online English video lesson for grade 7 of SMP or MTS. Our topic today is Animals World. Okay, before we start, let's say the dua together. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyyan wa rasula rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika salihin. May Allah let our heart be filled with light and insight and understanding and knowledge. Amin. The Islamic base of our lesson is Surah Al-An'am, verse 38. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. وَمَا مِن دَابَّةٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ وَلَا طَائِرٍ يَطِيرُ بِجَنَاحَيْهِ إِلَّا أَمْثَالُكُمْ مَا فَرَّطْنَا فِي الْكِتَابِ مِن شَيْءٍ ثُمَّ إِلَى رَبِّهِمْ يُحْشَرُونَ. All living beings roaming the earth and winged birds soaring in the sky are communities like yourselves. We have left nothing out of the record. Then to their Lord they will be gathered all together. The aim of the lesson is, by the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify vocabulary and expressions to ask and give information related to actions or functions of animals in order to identify, to criticize, or to praise them. Let's start by learning animal sounds. This is a bear. A bear growls. A bird sings. Bees buzz. A cat meows. A dog barks. A lion roars. A frog croaks. A parrot talks. An eagle screams. Chickens cluck. A snake hisses. A tiger growls. Let's now talk about animals' habitat. A crab, an oyster, a seahorse, a dolphin, and octopus. What are their habitat, do you think? Right, sea. So we can say they live in the sea. A horse, a sheep, a cow, a duck, and a rabbit. What are their habitat? Right, farm. So we can say they live on the farm. An elephant, a zebra, a panda, a monkey, and a crocodile. Their habitats are in forests. Right, we can say they live in a forest. A kangaroo, an ostrich, a koala, yes, savannah. So we can say they live in savannah. Penguin, polar bear. Yes, we can find them in Arctic. So we can say they live in Arctic. A camel. Right, it lives in desert. So we can say it lives on a desert. Now let's talk about their food. What do they eat? A bear. Yes, a bear eats honey. A squirrel eats nuts. A monkey eats banana. A panda eats bamboo. And a giraffe eats leaves. Now let's talk about what animal can do. A butterfly can fly. A crab can play in the sand. A cat can play a ball. A grasshopper can jump far. A cow can give us milk. Well, it's time to have an exercise. In this exercise, you have to read descriptions on this video carefully and then choose the most appropriate picture for each number on the Google form on your Google Classroom. Good luck! I will read the descriptions one by one. Number 1. I live in desert. You can ride on me. I don't drink often. Number 2. I live on the farm. I can lay eggs. I have 2 legs. I clap. Number 3. I can fly. I have 6 legs. I'm yellow and black. I collect honey. Number 4. I live in a forest. I can be dangerous. I'm black or brown. I grow. I eat honey. Number 5. I live on a farm. You can eat me. I'm white. I bleed. I give wool. It's time to summarize now. In this lesson, we have learned how to talk about animals, their sound, where they live, what they eat, and what they can do. This is the end of this video lesson. Let's say hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Thank you so much for your attention. I'll see you again on my next video lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.